So yesterday, let me just zoom out a bit, we did how you multiplying brackets was the same as long multiplication. But that implies you ought to be able to factorize. So reduce into two numbers that multiply to make it an expression that looks like that. How do you do it? Well, it's going to go into brackets like that, because that's what we had yesterday. And when I was younger, Miss Guppy said it's trial and error. My hat. Look at that number there and its sign. Always the sign of the thing that's just a number. If it is positive, which it is, it tells you the signs are the same. And to make the 7, you add. So you're looking for two numbers that you're going to multiply together to give you 12 and add together to give you 7. More than that, that sign there tells you what the sign in the brackets is. So we can enter that in. It's the same as that sign. So if that was positive, they'd both be positive, but it's negative. So they're both negative, there and there. Then two numbers multiplied together to give you 12. So that could be 6 and 2, but that's no good because they don't add together to give you 7. 3 and 4 do, though. No order matters. Job's done. Suppose then it was a little bit different. Suppose it was x squared, minus x minus 12. Again, look at the sign of 12. Is it positive or negative? It is negative, and that tells you the signs are different. It also tells you that minus 1 is the difference of the signs, and because it's minus 1, the bigger of the two numbers will be negative. So we put our x in, x and x. Two numbers multiply together to give you 12, well, 3 and 4. One's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. The bigger one is going to be negative because that is negative. And there you have it. And so any number that this looks like x squared minus, not every number, because sometimes you can't find a factor, but a lot of numbers for which factors do exist will look like that. And that would have to be like that. And all you're ever doing is thinking about the way the signs work. So for that one, it would be x and x. Multiply together to give you 56, and it's plus 56. The signs are the same, so they're both negative. I paused there because I was working it out. It's 7 and 8. No trial and error. What are you doing? It's a mixture of where your eye is, what you're thinking, and what you're writing. It's a ballet. That's why thinking on paper matters.